Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to part 2. Let's continue and dive deeper into the topic with clear explanations you can follow right away. You do not need to grind your own chilies or toast your own seeds to enjoy enmoladas at home. With a good mole paste and a few pantry items, you can get a pretty authentic plate on the table. Key ingredients for authentic tasting enmoladas. Here are the basics you will need. Corn tortillas, preferably day-old so they hold up better. Mole sauce, homemade or store-bought paste. Chicken broth or water to thin the mole. A bit of oil and salt. For fillings, the most common are cooked shredded chicken, store-bought rotisserie works great. Shredded leftover turkey. Queso fresco, mozzarella, or another mild cheese. For toppings, try Mexican crema or regular sour cream. Crumbled queso fresco or feta. Thinly sliced white onion. Fresh cilantro. Avocado slices. Toasted sesame seeds. If you cannot find Mexican brands, do not worry. Use any good quality mole paste, regular sour cream, and a mild crumbly cheese. The mole flavor carries the dish. Step by step, from warming tortillas to dipping in mole and serving. Start with the mole. Put a few spoonfuls of mole paste in a wide pan, like a skillet or shallow pot. Add broth or water a little at a time and stir over low heat until it becomes a smooth, pourable sauce. It should lightly coat a spoon, not feel too thick or too watery. Taste and add a pinch of salt if needed. Keep the sauce warm over very low heat. Hot mole coats tortillas better and tastes richer. Next, get your tortillas ready. Lightly fry each tortilla in a thin layer of oil, just a few seconds per side, until it softens and becomes flexible. You do not want crunchy shells, only pliable tortillas that will not tear. Place them on paper towels to remove extra oil. Now work one tortilla at a time. Using tongs, dip a warm tortilla into the hot mole, turning it so both sides get coated. Let any extra sauce drip back into the pan so the tortilla is not dripping. Lay the tortilla on a plate or board, add a small line of filling down the center, then roll or fold it into a half moon. Do not overfill, or it will burst and become messy. Arrange the filled tortillas on a serving plate. Spoon more hot mole on top so they are nicely sauced, but not drowning. You still want to see the shape of each enmolada. Right before serving, add crema in thin lines, sprinkle cheese, add onion slices, cilantro, avocado, and sesame seeds if you like. Serve at once so the tortillas stay soft but not soggy, and handle the hot sauce and oil carefully. Easy shortcuts and make-ahead tips for busy home cooks. If you are short on time, use store-bought mole paste and leftover chicken, turkey, or pulled pork. The filling is already cooked, so you only reheat it. You can also prepare a big batch of mole on a weekend, then freeze it in small containers. On a busy night, thaw one, thin with broth, and you are halfway to dinner. Warm tortillas ahead and keep them wrapped in a clean towel. Only dip, fill, and sauce them when you are ready to eat, since that step affects texture the most. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and enjoy the rest of your journey. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.